Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a title under your Instagram name. Super simple. You are just going to select the three lines on the top right corner of your screen, go to settings and go to account, go to switch to professional account, continue, and select the category you want. I'm just going to select gamer for mine. And then I'm just going to select display on profile here. Select done, and the title will be displayed under your Instagram name. So press next and just close this. As you can see, there is a gamer title here. And that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!